In this tutorial, we will learn how to make raindrops on a window effect. So basically, we'll create a setup that turns any image from this to this. There are two main effects at work here. The first is to make the image look like it's behind frosted or obscure glass. And the second is the effect of water drops on the glass. Then we will mix the two together for the final result. Let's start with the window frosted glass effect. Let's get an image, then blur it. Now we need to displace it. What Displace node does is it takes the image and distorts it or displaces it according to the displacement map. So make a pattern/noise node. Make sure it is Berlin and connect it to the displacement map. You can make the effect as strong as you want. I'll keep it around here. Smooth it a bit. Perfect. Now to the tricky parts, making the raindrops. For that we will need to create a drops shaped pattern. So let's make it. Make a new pattern. Make sure it is Berlin. Reduce the complexity and harshness to the very minimum. Check the gradient to enable the gradient override. So open the gradient, then double click near the black to duplicate it with almost the same color. Then drag it closer and closer to the white. Now you can see the drops and gaps forming. The closer you drag it to the white, the smaller the drops become. So pick the drop size that you want. About here is good. And of course you can always Ctrl R to turn it into an image, and then you can touch it up and brush it exactly how you want it. We will use this pattern for two things. First, we will finally generate the actual raindrops from it. Second, we will use it as a mask to separate the drops from the glass. Let's start with creating the drops. Connect it to a displace to get your raindrops. You can change the strength to how you want. About 5 is fine for me. You see the slight distortion in the gaps? This was caused when we double-clicked near the black point. So it is almost the same color, but not exact. You can make it exact by changing it to black, but I honestly like it, so I'll keep it. Embrace the happy little accident, as a wise man with an afro once said. Looks good. A bit too harsh, so blur it, and our raindrops are done. Now we need to mix it with the window glass. To do that, we will need a mask that contains everything in the drops. Take the drops pattern, apply levels to it, and slam the high way down. Blur it, and our mask is now done. Mix the glass with the drops using it, and your effect is done. And now you can easily change the main image by simply connecting it to the junction node. That's it for this tutorial. You can download and try Keras yourself and find more tutorials at kerasjam.com. See you next time, and take care.